What if I told you there's a single natural powder that can double your plant growth, make flowers bloom faster, rescue yellowing leaves, and you probably already own it? Sounds unbelievable, right? But don't click away, because this one simple ingredient might just be the most powerful gardening tool you've never fully used. This isn't a trendy trick or some overpriced plant booster. It's something so common it might be hiding in your bathroom or garden shed right now. The magic powder? Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. Now, before you roll your eyes and assume it's just another gardening myth, let's dig into why this underrated compound is actually a powerhouse for plants. Magnesium is the core of chlorophyll, the green pigment plants use for photosynthesis, their food-making superpower. Without enough magnesium, leaves start yellowing, growth stalls, and flowering slows to a crawl. That's where Epsom salt comes in. Here's how to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into 1 gallon of water. Stir thoroughly and water your plants with it once every 2 weeks. That's it. This simple step can lead to juicier tomatoes, deeper green leaves, vibrant peppers, and roses that bloom like never before. For potted plants, take that same mix and spray it directly on the leaves. It gives them a fast-absorbing magnesium boost. Within days, you'll start seeing a difference: greener foliage, sturdier stems, and accelerated growth. And here's the real jaw-dropper. In side-by-side tests, plants treated with Epsom salt grew up to twice as fast as untreated ones. That's not just a small improvement, it's a game changer. So the next time your plant looks weak or you want to kickstart blooming, just remember: one powder, one rule, total transformation. Try it out and tell me what happens. I'd love to hear your results in the comments. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more powerful plant secrets, and share it with your gardening crew. Let's grow better together.